Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a product on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, your account settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and the logout. Also, we have the store and all of the options in the store here, and the marketing in the left side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a product on Sellfy. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, as I already told you, log into your Sellfy account. Then navigate to the product section from your dashboard in the left side of the screen. Then click on find product you want to delete. So basically we will have all of your products here in one place in the product section when you're here, and then just need to go and click on that. Click the product to open its details. After you have opened its details, scroll down and click on the delete button at the top of the page. Then confirm the deletion when prompted. This will permanently delete the product from your store. If you need any further assistance, then just go to the assistant in the bottom right corner and ask for help there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.